Still with us to discuss this hour, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. And Michael, as I'm watching that, what I thought was a very well-crafted cross-examination, all I could really think of is it really is a testimony to the power of video and pictures. Because as he's laying out the evidence in this case, it's so clear to me that he's the one that's doing this, but yet and still it took this jury 11 hours and 40 minutes or so to come to a conclusion.
Michael, Christopher Hamner is a vicious prosecutor. I made a mental note when I watched this cross-examination last week. The mental note I made was if I ever commit a crime, I'm not going to do it in Clark County, Nevada, Michael, because I don't want Christopher Hamner to come get me and prosecute me. That was vicious. I went on LinkedIn, sent him a friend request, hoping he accepts it because I want to add him to my network. He was vicious. He was effective. He was sarcastic. He was sarcastic in the right places. And that's after I saw that last week. That's why I said I think the jury is going to deliberate. I don't think they're going to deliberate. I think they're going to violate the Constitution. I think they're going to look left and right and say, you know what, we're unanimous with a head nod, right? Because it was so vicious. It was so effective, right? It's but for the zoomed in photo of this rotund person with a beard and hair driving the Denali, but for that, that jury would have came back the quickest jury in American jurisprudence history, right? But that was very effective. He came in and he just opened Robert Tellis up and just destroyed him. The shoe, the hat, the DNA. There's a crime lab in on it as well. And just the way his innuendo, his body language, it was very, very effective. So yeah, I was very impressed to see the way he did that.